Hello everybody and welcome to the Quilters Apothecary. I am extremely excited today to announce that we finally have ready our wonderful mystical series workshop intensive. Now let's talk a little bit about what this is. This is a culmination of 30 years of teaching thousands of people all over the world to enjoy their machines, whether they are on a sit down or a stand up, for surface quilting. In my 30 years of surface quilting, one of my passions has been bringing to you a way to take you from beginner to advanced in very simple form. So let's take a look at what this workshop intensive contains. So to start with, what we have is almost 40 hours of video of some of the greatest designs that I have been teaching for the past 20 to 25 years throughout those workshops. So also on this USB drive, so in other words, you don't have to worry about taking up a lot of space in your studio with videos or paperwork or books. Everything is in one spot on a USB drive. It has bonus content, which goes over a lot of basics. Also, we have 9 printable handouts with hundreds of pages of step-by-step instruction and also inspiration for your quilting dream. So the workshop videos themselves has 9 classes. We start off, of course, with mystical beginnings. We go over things like thread, batting, taking care of your machine, the best way to maneuver your wonderful designs, and also some basic designs. And then we go into beginning rulers and we talk about the best way to handle rulers, also the best way to purchase rulers from all of the wonderful ruler makers, and how to hold them and maneuver them, whether you're on a sit-down machine or a stand-up machine. And then, of course, we have our 2 intensive feather classes. We have our Feathers 1, and then we have our Feathers 2, which is our Advanced Feathers class. And then, of course, we'll step away from feathers and go into some florals, leaves, and vines. Of course, I always feel that those are some of the forgotten designs in the surface quilting world for our freehanders. And we have a lot of things in there to kind of juice up what you can do rather than feathers and rather than our geometrics. But let's talk a little bit about our geometrics. So then we go into our mystical grids, which is our continuous curve alternatives. That is one of the favorite classes. It's a wonderful way to deal with quilts that have grids in them, whether they're square, diagonal, triangle, even round. We can work in some grids. Then we also have our mystical shapes. Our mystical shapes, we take into account all sorts of different shapes and make them sing on the surface of your quilt. And the rest of these are, including the shapes, are more advanced classes. So we have our blocks and borders, where we go over a ton of ways to handle blocks and borders and utilize all of the designs and all of the methods from the previous workshops, because these are in order to make your blocks and borders come to life. And then we go into our wonderful mystical modern. So our mystical modern is a wonderful way, of course, to treat modern quilts as well as simply open spaces. It's also a great way to learn some wonderful designs to add to your whole cloth quilts that you have. So there are just a taste of some of the things that you will be learning in our intensive workshop. As we go through what is included in this wonderful workshop, the one thing to remember is not only are we going to be drawing hundreds of designs, we will also be taking most of these wonderful designs over to the machine and you will see how I quilt them out. Again, this is something that is going to take the beginner from 0 to 100 very quickly. Within a few months, if you take it serious, you'll be doing show quilt quality quilting. And of course, even for those that are intermediate to advanced, there are some amazing designs that you can add to your portfolio of quilting. Again, this is a culmination of 30 years of my life with my passion that I've had for quilting. And I want to share it with all of you in one place while I still have time, I guess. That would be the best way to say it. So I hope to see you in class, in your seats, and at the machines. And as always, thank you so much for supporting Quilters Apothecary and bringing you some of the best education out in the long arm quilting world, as well as the sit-down quilting world. And we will enjoy continuing to support your passion along with my passion. As always, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. We'll see you in class. Goodbye, everybody. Today we are starting on an amazing journey, and that journey is 9 of my mystical classes. Now, if you are a surface quilter, right here we're going to practice that. Now that is a universal sash and inner border design that you will use with joy. I love this design.
Now I'm going to echo that into what I've already got. Come away, swirl away, again, swirl away, and remember the key is always to swirl away, and it's also just like when we were on paper, you always want to make sure that your echo and swirl away is part of your swirl.
And you could take it, you could stop there, that would be fine, and then of course count 1, 2, 3, 2. Make sure it's always the same measurement and do the same.
All they're looking at are the beautiful feathers.
Go in and add some wonderful things, and this is just a taste of some of the things you can do. And you can take a lot of the
1, 2, 3, stop, pivot, 1, 2,